1,500-pound Pandjiris welding positioner. Table is variable speed, forward and reverse. The machine originally had power tilt, but at this time it has been converted to a manual tilt. Probably could be repaired. Appears that the motor is not working at this time.